Hi guys, this is RoamingAndro. I am back home in New York City. Just wanted to show you what my daily life looks like. Some of it is exciting, some of it's fun, some of it is just me walking to the train. That's what I'm going to do today, and just show you some of New York City. This is actually Queens. And it's a nice sunny day, and it's a little bit warmer today, which is great. I don't have to lug around my big ass jacket. Just got this nice yellow one. Well, welcome to New York. So these are houses. There's a lot of apartment buildings here, which you can see on the east side. You can hear the birds, which means spring is coming. I think very soon we'll switch the clock into daylight savings time. That's how they put garbage out in New York. And then people ask, why are so many rats here? But I don't actually see that many in Queens. I feel like there's more in Manhattan and in Williamsburg, Bushwick, Brooklyn area. Alright, there's a lot of stairs on this train, which I don't love, but it's gonna get me to where I need to go. Here are the street vendors. To Brooklyn, which I haven't really done, so figured I'd take you guys with me. I'm on the Long Island Railroad. Just gonna take it to Jamaica stop, then I'm gonna go towards Atlantic Terminal, get myself into Brooklyn, which is where I used to live, and it's where all the hipsters live. Also the train that you can take to go to the airport, get off at Jamaica, but I'm sure you could figure that out when you come to New York. It's gonna be a nicer ride than just staying on the subway the whole time. So at the airport, but unfortunately today I'm not going to the airport, but let me know in the comments if you want me to make a video of how to get from the JFK airport in New York City and how to get from there into Brooklyn or to Manhattan. And here's my train. I have a good 10 minutes. Thank God I don't even have to rush. And this is how the train runs. During rush hour it's insane, but I never ride this train during rush hour. And I will say riding this train with a suitcase that is bigger than a carry-on is a pain, because there is really nowhere to put your suitcase. and sometimes it won't even fit in the rows. So then you have to put it on a chair, or you end up blocking the hallway. And New Yorkers are not a very patient people because we all have to get somewhere. Yep, so here I am, you guys. I'm in New York City. I'm at the station Jamaica, which is the main transfer station and point you want to go to if you're going to go to the JFK International Airport. My hair is long. I'm going to go get a haircut and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Here. I'm just going to show you the outside, but we're in a tunnel. You might be asking, why is there no one on this train? It's the weekend. I think it's gonna be more crowded on the weekdays and used more for a commuter train. It's also more expensive to ride this train. Off peak, it's about $9. On peak, I'm not sure what it was, but I will put it up here to let you know. So right over here is Nelson Mandela School. I used to live, like a 10-minute walk from here, but look at this nice football field. But it's funny, I haven't been here much since I moved a couple of months ago, and I'm like, oh, I miss it. I miss Brooklyn so much. We're in the Crown Heights, Bed-Stuy neighborhood I'm gonna get off at in Brooklyn. Here they have a lot of wholesale stores, auto stores. You get your chairs. There's also a place around here that you can get fresh chicken, live poultry. So, all right, here we are. Welcome to Brooklyn, guys.
See, that's the thing. I ain't got the time for that. Oh, they just take the picture and post it up. Like Facebook picture. Oh, like 30 pictures like that.
Hey, I don't want to go. Show you the streets, see what it's like. There are a lot of churches in this neighborhood. Here's a Methodist church. There's also smaller ones that are evangelical as well, Catholic. And for you guys that are new to my channel, please follow and subscribe below. And then you can just see my New York City life until I travel again. There are a lot of brownstones here, which I have not lived in a brownstone, but I've been in a brownstone, and they really are just gorgeous. It just costs a lot of money to buy or even to rent, unless you've been living in a place for years and it's rent stabilized. Then your rent's going to be good. But otherwise, rent is quite expensive in New York City. I would say for this area, you're looking at about $1,800 for a 1-bedroom and up. $1,800 and up. This is Nordstrom Ave, so this is Crown Heights. This is a good happening street, lots of retail. Lots of Caribbean restaurants. It's a big Caribbean neighborhood. This is Key Foods. They made it look like a fancy market by calling it urban market, but it's just your regular grocery store in pretty much every corner. And I still think it's expensive. Not as expensive as Whole Foods, but it's up there with some of the stuff. I would say actually comparable to Whole Foods. Look at this gorgeous street. This guy knows what's up. Biggie.